Assalamualaikum, this is artist Rabia from Pakistan. Today I want to show how to create the Juicy HDR effects. So I have this photo here, press Ctrl plus J. This had made another layer. Now go to the filters and convert for smart filters. Hit OK. Press on the thumbnail of layer 1. This had open and the document right here. Now go to the image, go to adjustments and HDR toning. Hit yes. Now go to the preset, click on photorealistic high contrast. Hit OK. Now press Ctrl plus X. Go back to the original document. Here you can see the changes are made. Now take the Alt option and press on layer mask. You can see it had created another mask. Now take the brush and make the opacity 32 and start painting like this. You can see it is giving the effects to the pictures. You can say them juicy effects. Give the effects as much as you want. Like this you can give any effect to the any picture. You can say this is original image and this is final image. Okay, bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Take care.